Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I'm working with this really cute transfer. Life is better with a dog. They also have it with a cat if anybody is interested. Okay, I just want to show you what I did with this. And I brought that up close so you can see the netting. That is what makes a nice, clean, crisp design. It makes it easy, does the work kind of for you. And you just simply put on the paste. It goes on wet and it dries hard. Scrape off the excess with your squeegee and put it back in the jar because you can use it for another project. And then you take the transfer off. You wash that transfer and it's reusable. As long as you take care of it, you could use it quite a few times. Okay, now for layering. The trick for that is, remember this goes on wet and dries hard. It will reactivate with liquid. So you want to be careful when you put this on. First of all, make sure your first layer is very dry. Then you want to fuzz this transfer, and you saw how sticky it was, sticking to my fingers. So use that towel or use a t-shirt or whatever you're wearing. You can just fuzz it. The idea is to take some of the stickiness off. You don't want to pull up the first layer of chalk. Now this is almost ridiculous. I think I accidentally put this on slow-mo and I sped this up 4 times. So it's really slow. It is a lot slower than what I actually am, and I am not a fast crafter. But anyway, I used black velvet chalk paste. Had to think for a minute what it was called. This is what I'm using for the second layer. Now, when you put this on, don't put it on as thick and don't push down too hard with the squeegee. You can still get a nice clean spread of the paste on and take off a little bit of the excess, but don't go over and over it. And then lightly take it and pull it up. Hopefully you won't pull any of the other chalk with it. Yay, is that cute? Yeah, I did 2 of them. One in red and one with Couture teal. But you could do any color you want. I think they turned out so cute. And then just hung the hook on the bottom and you can hang their leash on it. I love them. What do you guys think?